So this is going to be your address, what you see here. The suite will be assigned to you after you do the entire process. In today's video, we will see how you can get a virtual address in US, and this could be for many reasons, including having a professional presence, privacy of your business. If you don't want to give the address to public, and you want to have mail handling services at this virtual address for registering a business, even if you want to access US market and for the tax purposes. So whatever your reason is, you will be able to have a virtual address just by following this video. Before we get into the video, I'd like to mention that I've partnered with products and service provider to bring you tools and resources that can help you achieve your goal in this video. The link in the description is an affiliate link, and by using it, you will be supporting this channel at no additional cost to you. This helps me continuing creating valuable content for you. And to do this, just below this video, I have shared a link. By clicking that link, you will come to this website. And whatever you see here, all that benefit you will be able to avail by using the link. Once you're on this page, you will click here to see where all it is available. Once you click here, these are the state where these services are available. Almost all states have this service. So depending on which state you want to go with, you will click. And once you click, you come to this page, get started. Here on the get started page, you will enter your first name, last name, email address and mobile number. And you see here, you get the order summary on right hand side and how much you will be charged. Once you make this entry, come down to contact address, enter the contact address. Once the contact address is entered, come down, enter your company information, what entity type is. So from this, you select the entity. I'm selecting LLC, where the state formation is, where the state of service is, and then company name, and you choose the designator. For example, my company is Cyber 40 Consulting LLC. So this is how it shows up. You check, recheck, cross check. Then you come down, you enter the date of formation. Once that is entered, you come down here and you will get the company address like this. The suite will be assigned to you after you do the entire process. So this is going to be your address, what you see here. And this will maintain the privacy by using commercial address. You will get an unlimited scanned incoming mail. You will also have a physical address and not a PO box number. So PO box number is not allowed. You also get instant alert with 24/7 access to your mail online. So to get this, I'm keeping this option as it is, no, and clicking next. Here you will enter the member's information. If it is single person entity, just select one. If it is different, you select accordingly. And then here I'm keeping as individual. And if it is company, you go and select company and enter the detail. So the name by default shows up. I'm okay with this. I select this and then the address. Then come down, you get to see the address, what is selected here. And then you click next. Now we are here on the billing information page, and you can see here some of the verified purchases comments. Then once you see what the order summary is, and remember, this is a monthly service. Once you go through this, you enter credit card information, basically all that is required for your credit card. That information you enter here. Once the entry is made, billing address is updated, and you click I agree, come down. You then go and complete and pay. Once the payment is done, you will get a notification about the suite number and the address where all your communication will start coming within US. I hope you find this video useful. Please like, share and subscribe, and also check out other videos which might be of use to you for business in US. Thank you.